has written an article or a column saying that the decision to ban Bangladeshi player Mustafizur Rahman from the IPL was illogical. And
Who has written an article? Oh, well, I now don't reduce me to a level where I have to now comment on everything that Tarur says. No, look, I think what is happening in Bangladesh is not something that is not something that is something just to brush past and put under the carpet. This is a very serious issue. A country that was still very recently an orderly functioning democracy, a country where everybody had rights, including the minority Hindus in that country and Christians, is suddenly becoming a hellhole and a nightmare for anybody who is not a Muslim. And it is being spearheaded by organizations like Jamaat-e-Islami that are also present in India and are actively trying to pretend that they are not the Jamaat-e-Islami. So look, lynching of Hindus, lynching of minorities, threatening and intimidation of Christians and Hindus in Bangladesh is certainly not something that is acceptable or par for the course. And different countries and different governments will react differently, different organizations will react differently. The IPL has chosen to ban a Bangladeshi player, and they may have reasons for it. And I have certainly nobody without the facts to pass judgment on why the IPL did it and why the IPL did not do it. So I think I'm not in the business of writing articles full time. I know what I read and write, and from that I can clearly make out that it is extremely dangerous what is happening in Bangladesh, not just for the people of Bangladesh, not just for the minorities of Bangladesh, but also for people who live next to Bangladesh, which happens to be India.
Not just that. The fact is that BCCI gave a list of players for the teams to pick from, and after that, the whole issue came against one particular franchisee and against the owner of that, and then BCCI.
Look, I don't know the facts, and I have a habit of not jumping into an issue without knowing the facts. So while you have all the facts with you, I certainly don't know the facts and I don't know the background. And all I can say is, if I was in the position that I could have, I wish I was, and I could take a decision that would inflict some pain on Bangladesh for what they were doing, I would certainly inflict some pain on Bangladesh, because what they're doing is absolutely anti-human, anti-humankind, anti-humanity, and it's certainly the cruelest type of state that is being run there, where minorities who have lived there for hundreds and thousands of years have suddenly to fear for their lives and fear to being lynched. That is certainly not acceptable. And if I was had an option of inflicting some pain on Bangladesh, I certainly would.